So, today's topic is State Licensing Authority. First of all, its introduction. State Licensing Authority means the authority created for the purpose of regulating and controlling the manufacture, sale, and distribution of drugs. And basically, at the state level, authorities consist of Food and Drug Administration, that is FDA, one for each state. And the regulation, manufacture, sale, and distribution of drugs are primary concern of state authority. So, after that, here is the organization of state licensing authority, which basically consists of drug controller, deputy drug controller, drug inspector, and supporting staff on the one hand, and on the other hand, it also consists of drug testing laboratories, government analyst, and supporting staff. Functions of state licensing authority. So, its functions consist: first one is licensing of manufacturing site for drugs including API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient, and finished formulations. And the second one is approval of drug testing laboratories. And the third one is licensing of establishment for sale or distribution of drugs. Fourth one is pre and post licensing inspection. Fifth one is monitoring of quality for drugs and cosmetics marketed in India. And the last one is recall of substandard drugs. So, state licensing authority also includes the online system, which is called as e-governance system of CDSCO and SLA, and it basically comprises of the online portal that named is Sogam. An e-governance system has been launched in India through a portal named Sogam, which literally meaning ease or facilitation for online processing of application. And the Sogam system links CDSCO headquarters with other offices in different states and in different regions and laboratories, that is central laboratories or state laboratories and other state authorities. Following are the certain CDSCO activities which are currently performed through Sugam portal, that is an internet or portal, and its activities includes import registration and licensing of drugs and medical devices and more, registration of cosmetics, and the other one is permission to conduct clinical trials. After that, the registration of ethics committee, and moreover, personal permit for import of drug by individual patient, and furthermore, test license for import of small quantities of drugs for testing and analysis purpose. So here's the basically state licensing authority system, which basically first we go through the introduction in which we discuss about the purpose, that is the main purpose is manufacture, sale, and distribution control of drug within the state. And after that, their organization, which mainly consists of the drug controller, deputy drug controller, drug inspector, supporting staff, and on the other hand, drug testing laboratories, government analyst who basically review all the process of the state licensing authority for the approval of the new drug application. And after that, we go from the functions of SLA. That means the approval of drug testing laboratories and licensing, regarding to licensing of new drug application forms and sale and distributions, all this. And we also learn about the e-governance system, that is an online portal system through which we go from the online processing forms for the sale, distribution, and manufacturing of the drugs. And it also basically consists of the activities that imports or registration, licensing of drugs, permission for trial conducts, and ethics making, and many more things. So here's the state licensing authority. So thank you.